Hello, dear. Assalamu alaikum. I think you have listened to my message about the Green Sindh inklab. Inshallah, it will take place soon, and we are working on it. So there are so many volunteers and friends who are working under this shelter and shadow and umbrella. They are working hard to change the people, to change their lives and get rid of these feudal lords which are always in the power, and hope one day the time will come when whole the Sindh will be changed under this umbrella. You know, we want to make Sindh a green Sindh from every point of view. We want green Sindh. We will plant the trees. We will shelter the poor. We will uplift the poor. We will drive away the poverty from Sindh. As you know, the people of Sindhi people, these are poorest, and they have worst condition in the world. You don't know, this is not the Sindh. The people living in major cities like Karachi, Hyderabad, Sakkar, Larkana. But if you will go outskirt of the cities, you will find the poverty. The people are living. The people have no shelter. People have no even the toilets in their home. This is a very poor condition, and you know, Sindh is not only Karachi, Hyderabad, Sakkar, Larkana, Khairpur, but there is also Sindh. The Ghotki is also Sindh. I know my friends who are living there in Ghotki, they have a poor condition, living poor condition. I know them that they say that we have no water, even no cultivation, even no drainage system, even no. So we are working for them. We will work for them. We cannot work for whole the country, but we will start from our village. We will start from our town. We will start from our home. And we will be succeeded if we continue to work it. Our main focal points will be education, health, cleaning, atmosphere, and environment. You know, in whole of the Sindh, the political governments have crashed out, have dug out all the trees from the paths, from the big canals like Abulwa and other small drainages. All the trees have been dug out and cut out by the political culprits. They are, they are only playing with the people. They are only playing with the masses. They are saying that we will do something for you. It is only and only false pledge. Even they don't even they don't give anything to the poor when there is something happening. All the police is under their control. The police is controlled by the feudal lords and political giants. I will say that these political giants, they have very much grip over them. So get rid of them, kick them out. Some people are coming that we will give you roti, kapda or makan, and they are enjoying themselves in Switzerland, in America, in Dubai. Really, I'm living here, and if you know that how much they have assets, you will be astonished to hear that they have huge of assets outside Pakistan. Only they want to come and to rule over the poor masses, and they get their chair that, okay, we are working for the people. What have been changed in Pakistan? What have been changed in Sindh during this regime? This regime has their own vehicles, their own big vehicles, but they have done nothing for the people. Even you go to the civil hospitals of the district headquarter hospitals, there is nothing for the people. They have no injection even. The people are going to die. And the disease, the water condition of Sindh is polluted. And 95% of the water is arsenic. What is this? They don't use to even to drink a drop of water from this water. So please join our hands, and we will make green and flourishing Sindh. One hand will join to other hand, and it will make power. Kyunke Allah says in Quran, وَتَسْمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Join together and don't go here and there. You will be succeeded. And also Allah Ta'ala says that وَلَيْسَ لِلْإِنسَانِ إِلَّا مَا سَعَى. Insan jiski, when a man tries to get something, he will get it. And if we will only depend on these vaderas, and only depend on these peers, and only depend on these miyas, and the feudal families, we will lose everything. So this is time to get rid of these naras. Only get education, get better education for your children, better education for your better education for your friends and everyone. All the things will come out. All the things will dig out from the education. When the education will come, this feudal will go away. The masses of Sindh, they are very poor. They even don't know that what they have right. They are doing anything for you. They are taking money from you and spending on you. So please come and join the hands of us, and we will do work for the people, work from the people, and the leading persons will come from the people, not from the feudal. Please don't lift them. If you will lift them, if you will bow before them, they will say, okay, they are our people, and we uh, make control over them. So I hope you will never bow your hands in front of the people. Okay, Allah Hafiz, Jadakallah, Jadakallah.